Look at him. Now he falls over if you don't help him.
Elmo got into the hard stuff a little early this morning.
Okay, now, this is the one that really freaks him out. He had a frightened look when I did it last night.
I gotta see this. Robo Elmo. Eater.
Oh, I think I might have to turn it on.
Sometimes.
Elmo is dirty like that.
No.
See? You did turn him on. Oh yeah, it looks like he's having a good time now. Oh man, he can do everything.
Oh my
This is the first time you've seen this?
God. Yeah. That's so scary.
Cyborg Elmo. Looks like he's
I think he's a little bit freaked out.
looks like he's wagging it with his hand. Look at that.
That's silly, huh?
Now he's gonna lick his own crotch.
Stop it. Like saying bad stuff. Oh, no, you're not scared anymore, huh?
Is Elmo doing dirty things in front of you?
If there's two of them.
We're multiplying like the Sorcerer's Apprentice. Doom, 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 doom.
Look at him, he's like he doesn't know who to look at.
Huh? He's actually pretty cool.
They're making you crazy, huh, Salvatore?
He's like slowly lifting his pacifier to his mouth.
I need some comfort. This is freaking me out.
That's funny. That's yours,
I can't believe it
Salvatore.
can get itself up.
I know.
You know, if this is Mike's child, when he's about 2 years old, he'll have the thing completely apart and looking at it.
Yeah.
Let's see what this is all about here.
I'm gonna go on the other side.
He's gonna get up. He's gonna get up. Well, maybe he's not.
Oh, he grabbed his inner groin and he says you tickled Elmo. That's just ridiculous.
Mike.
He did. I got the video to prove it.
Let me start this one.
Robo Elmo active.
This one you gotta press the foot.
Oh, okay. Uh-oh, too much. No, he doesn't like that. But I'd say take it away, dude. He does not like that. When
He doesn't want both of them.
Yeah, when he starts pushing them away, that's not good. Enough's enough. Oh, big boy. Enough's enough, huh? Those are nice toys, aren't they, huh?
There's something I can count on.
This is his favorite thing.
Now he's gonna go in a corner and hit his head on the wall for an hour. Overload.
You are a funny boy.
Turn my back on you. How about I read the paper? Oh, my ring. I can count on my ring not to be freaky.
My precious. He is. Like,
This ring doesn't change.
my precious
Some of it's
ring.
throw away anyway, but I get it out of his way.
Da-da-da.